you doing? Nothing much, you?
Come on, get to class! 5th hour! All right, guys. We've got the first copy of the 2015 yearbook.
Oh, wait. Where's Kelsey? She's supposed to be here.
I don't know, I haven't seen her.
Well, it's her loss. All right, let's get to it. Oh no, where's the yearbook?
Miss Becky's room.
I have your yearbook and your friend. If you ever want to see them again, go to the fish tank. There is a note attached. Follow those rules. Your time is short.
Guys, they have the yearbooks and Kelsey. I don't have time to explain. Let's go. Guys, it's right here. What did it say?
If you ever want to see the yearbook, Kelsey again, follow these instructions. You need to go outside.
Let's go.